Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Girls, we are going to do this look. It is one color on eyes, cheeks, and lips, okay? One product can do three things. I want you to watch and hang in here with me, and let's do this. Okay, so here we are. We have our foundation on. I've done everything but blew my eyes. I haven't done those yet. I did my under eyes really quickly. I did use this CoverGirl. This is what's on my face. Isn't that pretty? It's just so pretty. It is, I used it looks like 220 Creamy Natural. And this is the Simply Ageless CoverGirl Oil. And I love it. Love it. I put it on with a little sponge, and then I just I get a kabuki brush and just kind of pat it in. Girl, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Let me put a little bit of Hottie on. This month, everything's on sale with lips. Wow. I can't wait to create some new stuff for you for that. And also, I have on this color right here. This is, I used it as my contour a little bit. It's just a putty bronzer. It really doesn't have a number or anything. It's just one of my favorites. Okay, let's do this. Let's put on some eye primer. I want to show you this because it's so simple and easy. One, all in one. You can use it for blush. You can use it for your eyes. I did one not too long ago on the apricot color. And this one is Frosted Grape, which is my favorite, honestly. I have green eyes, so the plum colors really look good with my eyes. And it just makes my eyes kind of pop. So I love this. And it's going to be so simple and easy. You're going to go, wow, that's fast. And it will be fast. Okay, so I let this set a few minutes, and I went ahead and put a little bit of It's by Pores on top of this. So now it's not tacky. It's not going to grab color and hold it all in one spot. That is the worst thing that can happen. This is the color. This is so pretty. Look at this. Yes, and we're going to use it on our eyes. It's creamy. It's going to be great. We're also going to use the fluffy crease brush. And so this is what I'm going to do. We're going to pop it right here on the end of this brush. And I want to do the whole eye. Just like this. Look how easy. Now, you probably looked at that color and thought, oh my gosh, that's going to be like super dark. No, it's not. It's actually very, very pretty and simple to do. And then I'm going to add some blush to it too, girl. We're not through. I want to show you how fast you can do it, though. And I'll probably add a little light in the corner, which I like to do. But honestly, you could just wear it just like this if you want to. Put you some liner on. I would use black liner with this. Mascara. Oh, my goodness. It would be so pretty. So, so pretty. So let's do this real quick. Look at that. Okay, there we go. So I like to let it settle just a few minutes. Like I'll go get some coffee or something like that, and then I'll come back and it'll be ready. I don't like for it to move at all. So I'm just gonna let it set and adhere to everything that I've already put on the primer and the powder. Okay. Let me grab my blush. It's funny, I was just looking at my brows. They're so non-existent when I don't do them first. I really like to do them first because it gives me a guide point. But I wanted you to see this bright, bright color. And so I wanted to jump on it really quickly because I love this. Now, we're going to use this color Seductive. I broke the lid off of it. I still use it, okay? It's still good. It's not a shiny. It's just a matte. And so we're just going to place it right up here. I'm just going to kind of lightly dab that into the crease and blend it up. And I'm using BK Beauty Brush 202. I love these brushes. I have a discount code for them, and they'll be down in the description box. Oh, see how that just kind of pulls that out. Now, I really want it to come up more. I'm going to bring it down here and up. It's just going to give me a little bit of dimension. Now, if you want to wear it just one color, you can. It's perfectly fine. It will stay on all day. And it does not crease. I was really shocked because it's just now getting a little cooler here in Alabama. And I've worn it in this heat. And it's worked pretty good. I just love the colors together. Now, we are going to add another color to this. I am going to grab my little palette called Humble, and it has a really bright color in it, and I love it. And it looks great with this look. And this is it right here. This is so cute. It's called Humble, but it has 3 colors in it. Isn't that cool? But I'm only going to use the light color. Why? Because I love this light color. It is so pretty. I love to put it on. I'm looking for a brush. Where is it? Let me find my brush. Ta-da! I found it. It's short, and it gets lost inside my little thing over here that holds all my brushes. So I like to take this and put it right here in the corner. Now, if you want to do shiny, you do shiny, girl. You can put that there, too. I just like to lighten up that inner corner because look at the difference in my eye when I do that. The reason I like to do this is because I have closed-set eyes. And so you can see. I can see the difference. It really brightens up my eye. So let's make sure we do both of them. I don't want this to be too long. I want you to see that how simplistic you can be. You can get a look very quick and very easy with this. Wouldn't take you long to do because it's so few colors. It's just beautiful to me. I love it. And I have worn it at least 5 or 6 times already. I do like it, though. It's so pretty. Now, I'm going to get my liner. We're going to do some liner. We're going to use some black liner. Now, I'm just going to tight line because we are going to add mascara. So this is Younique's liner called Perfect, which is the color black, okay? And I always have to lift my eye up. I'm not one of those professional people. I've watched people do that, and I'm like, how do they do that? I would poke my eye out. So for safety reasons, Lister's going to do it like this, okay? And I will line the bottom just a little bit once I do the mascara. And I'm going to try a different mascara today. A friend of mine gave me. Lori gave it to me. It's called Thrive. And I've only used it once, okay? So I used it yesterday. But see how pretty that is? Oh, heck. Let's do a little bit of light. Let's do it right here. Just a light bit. Right in the... I'm not making a wing. I'm just darkening it, okay? Right here in that bottom corner. You know, sometimes when I start being creative, I look at it and go, oh, I think I do need to add something there. And this will give it a little more dimension too. And you can always use a smaller brush if you want to come back and blend it out. I do have a really small one that I love to use. It's a BK Beauty one. And it's over here. This is it right here. This is, I think it's 210. Yeah, it's 210. So let's just take it and just kind of smudge that out so it softens it. And now, see, we've got some really nice definition. I like it. I think it's pretty. So, here we go, girlfriend. Oh, I like it. I always love these colors together. So, I'm going to do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, brows are done. Now, I have 2 mascaras. Now, this one is Younique's. It's Quadra. I love this. It's got a serum in it. It has made my lashes. Look at that. They have grown. It's incredible. Now, my friend sent me this one, so I feel like Lori sent me this. And so I'm going to use this today in her honor because she sent it to me. Okay, so this is Thrive. It's a liquid lash extensions mascara. I used it once. I used it yesterday just to see how it is. But it's a tubing too, just like the Quadra. But I want you to see what Quadra has done to mine. You need it. I'll put both there. I really don't know. Maybe she can tell me where the link is for this. I haven't looked for it yet, but it goes on really nicely. But my lashes are doing so much better that everything that I've been doing, it just makes it look better. I mean, when you use that serum, it's so nice. I didn't realize that my lashes were like that, really, until I started using it. And then I've been using it, what, for 3 months now? And man, what a difference it's made. You know, it's just like exercise. You got to do it, you know. You got to make yourself do it. And once you start seeing results, then you're really happy with it. That's the way it is with me. So, but this is really easy to apply. It seems to dry pretty quickly. I think Quadra dries a little bit faster than this. But I do like the wand. I do like the way it goes on. And I've never tried it before. So she sent it to me for my birthday. And some other things that she sent. But this is one of them that she wanted me to try. So I'm doing that because she sent it to me. Okay. It is pretty. I like it. I like both of them, actually. What do you think? That looks pretty good, don't it? I love mascara. Don't ever just leave mascara off. Well, get your favorite mascara. You don't have to purchase these, but these are two really good ones. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to grab that pencil again, this one here, and I'm going to tight line like right here, just a little. And you notice now that I do not put any mascara on my lower part. I just don't. And the reason I don't is because I have really long lashes there. And if I do that, then it's really going to, it looks like claws, and I just don't like it, okay? I don't. Now, let's grab a little bit of our grape, and I'm going to grab that one little brush I had just in my hands a few minutes ago, this one here, the 210, and we are going to grab our frosted grape. I love this stuff. And we're going to take it, and we're just going to kind of blend a little bit of that color right underneath with this. This is the best brush ever, y'all. You need this brush. And then we're going to add this as our blush. And we're going to add it as our lipstick. Yes, we are. Okay. See, that's all I need. I like a very simple look. That's it. Now, let's take this. Let's pop some here. Now, what I have done here, I used e.l.f. Remember, I used e.l.f. This right here. And it looks pretty good. And I've blended it. I put the foundation on first and then blended this into it. So we're just going to add a little bit of, look how pretty. I know how to say pretty, but pretty sounds fun. I'm Southern girl. All right, I'm going to get my beauty blender and we're just going to blend. Oh, that is so pretty. I love it. This is my favorite. It is. I like the other one, but it's very fallish, the other one is, and that's the reason I did it. So let me come over my nose just a tad, because I like for it to kind of flush, you know, like you're flushing. I love that look. Wow, that looks awesomest. I really don't need a highlight. Not really. I'm just looking at it. And then we're going to go into, let me move that. I'm going to grab, now this month, you know, is all about lips with Younique. I think I mentioned that. But I'm going to use my Maybelline Gone Grease because it is my favorite. And I'm going to wipe off Hottie because it has really, Hottie's kind of, my granddaughter says it stingles. When she was little, she'd come in here and she'd do videos with me. I miss that. But this is Gone Grease, Maybelline. And the one thing I like about using the Hottie is because it gets your lips like really nice, plump, and soft. And so whatever you use on it, it just glides right on. And this is a wonderful, now this is, I found it in Walmart. You can get it on Amazon too. Amazon's good. And you've seen me use this. I've used it 1,000 times. I bought 4 of them at once because I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to run out of this. So when I get down to 1, I will be purchasing another one for sure. Okay. That's so pretty. Okay. Now, we're going to grab the grape. And I just use my fingers with this. You could use a brush if you want to. And I just kind of pat it just along in the center of my lips. I just think it's pretty. Just bounce it across. Isn't that pretty? It gives you a little sheen shine. I just think it's pretty. I like it. Now, remember, you could take some eyeshadow and you can pop that on your lips to give it like a little pop of color. I do that sometimes, but I'm not going to do that today because I want this to be kind of a cohesive look. And it is. It's just perfectly put together. Now, I want to do a highlight. She gave me one, and I don't know where I laid it. So, I'm so bad. Let me grab one over. Here's golden. We'll just use golden, okay? I broke golden, so don't say anything. I dropped it, and I put it back in here. It's very creamy, but it's powdery creamy, guys. So this is what we're using. Pick it up off the floor, don't waste it. That's what I told myself. Yeah, I did. Just a little bit of this right through here. I'm just going to put it right up through here so that it gives me a little nice lift on that side. I love this color. This is really pretty on your eyes too. I could actually pop a little bit of this right in here somewhere if I wanted it to be shiny. You could put it right over the pupil and that would be really pretty. I'm not going to do that, but you can. You can do that, especially if you want to make it more, like if you're going out and you need something more fancy. This is just everyday, okay? This is an everyday look that you can do and get out the door with. Now, I've already powdered my face and all that good stuff. Now, the one thing I am going to do end with is my spray and mist so that everything don't go nowhere. And then, I know how to say it, does not go anywhere. And then we're going to use my Revolution. I call it my Revolution because I love it. I have 4 of these bottles. You know, when you can get them, right? Yeah. So, here we go. I love this. This has got a little bit of color. I mean, look at that shine running through there. Look at that, girlfriend. Look at that. That's so pretty. Spray it. Dab it. Spray it. Dab it. And then I do it right through the center of my face. This stuff smells so good, too. And now, you are ready. You are ready. Let me put this down. You are ready to get out that door, girl. Look how fresh this looks. Wow, I'm 61. If I can do this, you can, okay? You can do it. I'm going to push these eyelashes up just a tad, see if they're dry. They're still a little tacky. So this one takes a little bit longer than the Quadra to set. But they're really pretty. I do love it. And I do thank you for sending it to me, Lori. Lori and I talk a lot, and she knows a lot about makeup, and she tells me what I should and shouldn't do and what I need to try. So I do that kind of thing. And she's smart. She knows what she's talking about. So please like and share and click that notification bell. And come back here on Sundays. I love for you to hang out with me some more. I love giving you tips and tricks, you know, us 50s and 60s, even some 70s, you know. I'm 61, I'm headed to 70, so I'm going to be the best I can be, and I'm going to try to stay on here, and I'm going to try to help you be the best you can be too. So, y'all have a fabulous day. I'll see you later.